Now I will show you how to prepare chart in Excel. Firstly, select the cell as required and then go to Insert and select the chart or recommendation chart and then select any one in these chart. Now I choose clustered column chart. It's used to compare values across a few categories. Now chart is prepared. And if you want use multiple chart, then select the chart and click right anywhere on the chart, then select the combo and then select the chart type as desired. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. And stay tuned until I am coming up with new video.